Hey everybody, it's Vince and I'm back with another Hungryroot unboxing. This week I got the large size box, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Hungryroot is a brand of fresh and healthy packaged foods that can easily be combined with what you have at home. You can customize your order or have Hungryroot curate for you based on your personal likes and dietary needs. And there's always new ingredients and recipes added, making this one of the best ways to get healthy foods delivered to your door and into your fridge. Alright, I've got the sandwich buns. These are the one bun multigrain, and these are really good toasted. My potatoes were open, so this was open and they all dumped out, but it's fine. Let's see if we can salvage them. Sometimes stuff like that happens with deliveries. Luckily, Hungryroot is awesome with their customer service. Here's the sweet baby broccoli, mini peppers. I've never seen this color mini pepper in the store. This is awesome. Shaved Brussels sprouts. Here's the sliced zucchini, and it looks like it's in really fresh condition. They put a little absorber in there in case any moisture starts to leak out during the delivery, but it looks really fresh. Red lentil fusilli. This is my favorite gluten-free pasta from Hungryroot. It's a fresh pasta and it just takes a few minutes to boil. Another box of zucchini slices. Here's the organic corn tortillas. Whole wheat sprouted flatbread. There's 3 in this package. Chopped butter lettuce. Looks really fresh. No extra moisture in the bag. Organic grass-fed meatballs, and this is still pretty frozen and in really good condition. Very happy with that. Basil zucchini white bean salad. This is a really good, quick and easy dish. You can just throw it into any of your salads or put it as a side. 3 of these Cedars snack pack hummus kits. It comes with garlic hummus and the chips, and each of these is only 200 calories. Another package of the meatballs. This is a fun item. I've never seen this from Hungryroot before. It's a Wagyu beef steak strip, just a little snack item. And last but not least, some treats. These are the Unreal Dark Chocolate Almond Butter Cups. These are awesome. And look, I found my potatoes. Yes, they spilled out of the container, but it looks like they're still good to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and salvage those. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a vegan BLT using all Hungryroot ingredients except for tomato. I've been saving this smoky tempeh. It's called Light Life Smoky Tempeh. It's like a vegan bacon from my last Hungryroot box. So let's get started. So the vegan BLT turned out really nice. All Hungryroot ingredients except for the tomato. It's crunchy, it's delicious, it tastes like a BLT, and it's really satisfying while still being healthy. This Light Life tempeh bacon has 12 grams of protein in 4 slices, and it's very low in saturated fat. So I was able to salvage my potatoes here, and they're potatoes. They're hearty, they're not cooked or anything, so they're in good shape. I have no complaints about that. It's just the packaging was open, no big deal. When I have had issues with things being broken or open in the past, Hungryroot is awesome. They take care of you, they credit your account, and they make sure to keep their customers happy. So that's what I got in the Hungryroot box this week. Again, this is the large size box. Lots of fresh veggies, proteins, some really nice grains and pastas, and of course, some snacks and treats for myself as well. I'm going to have some cooking videos coming up, so make sure you subscribe and check those out as well. And if you want to give Hungryroot a try, take $25 off your first 2 boxes with coupon code 25OFFVINCE. And if you have tried it before and canceled, come back and try it again with 20% off your next 2 boxes once you reinstate your account. Use code REACTIVATEVINCE or use the link below to reinstate your account. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.